In this video, I would like to show you how to install and use Ghidra in FreeBSD. Ghidra is a reverse engineering software developed by the National Security Agency. So the first thing you can do is you can look on the internet about the Ghidra website, and the Ghidra website contains a link to download code from GitHub. If you go here to GitHub, you're going to see that there are some releases. At this time, 4 days ago, Ghidra version 11.1.2 was released. And up until a couple of releases, it was broken on FreeBSD, and I helped to fix this. And now it should be running at least partially in FreeBSD. So you download the public zip file. I've done it already. So let's go to the downloads folder. Here we can see the file is there. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to unzip the Ghidra folder. And before we continue, I need to tell you that in order to make Ghidra work, you need to have Gradle installed, and at this time I've installed OpenGDK 22. So pkg search OpenGDK 22. We have it there, and pkg search Gradle, I think it's written like this. Yeah. So it's a project automation tool, needs to be installed. I don't remember exactly if there are some more dependencies, but at least I know for sure that you need those ones. So let's go for the Ghidra folder, and it will not run out of the box. So the first thing is you need to compile some decompilers, compile a decompiler, and you first go to the Ghidra folder here, and you issue the following command. Before that, export llvm home equals /user/bin. So you need to have this set, and Gradle build, and it starts building the thing. So let's go to another terminal window. I like to monitor things running. So yeah, as you can see, it is running here. Quite a lot of processes are starting. It's running, so let's just wait a little bit. All right, so no more processes running, so it seems that this is completed. Let's confirm that decompilers have been built. So in that case, I do find.name FreeBSD. Yes, this is what you want to see. So the decompiler for FreeBSD. Awesome. And we're done. We have in the main directory where we were here, we have the Ghidra run. We can execute this. And we enter the GDK home directory. I first need to learn to talk. This should be user local OpenGDK 22. Let's see. Agree. Starting up. Awesome. So here, what's new? Close. So let's start a new project. File, new project, non-shared, home. Let's create here Ghidra test. And here select directory, and project name is going to be okay. So for the first time I get some issues here. Maybe with the dash it doesn't like, or does it like? Select project directory. Okay. And the test. Okay. Finish. To get a new file, we type I, or we go here, import file. I typically like to do /bin/ls. Why not? Okay. We go for the things. It's doing its magic, and it has imported. Click here, launching tool. It has not been analyzed. Would you like to analyze? Yes, analyze everything. So let's move the window. And you can see here in the lower corner, analysis is done. So, and why did we need to compile things? Is because now if we click on a function here, we get the compiled version of this program. How nice is this? So start1 here, SWI, PCVAR. This PCVAR is probably the main function. Okay. Let's see if we have here functions, entry. We have a main function. We don't have a main function, but we have a couple of functions here that we can start debugging. So I don't know, edit function, yeah, rename function, very nice function. Okay, so we can rename here. This is the parameter 1, rename variable, first param, and the second param. Okay, and basically you can see, so there are lots of tutorials online on how to use Ghidra. Currently what's not working in FreeBSD is the debugging option, and what needed to be fixed was the decompilation. Okay, but this is now running, and I've just shown you how to build the plugins for the decompilation. And that's it. You can just enjoy Ghidra on FreeBSD. That's it for today. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have comments or suggestions, please use the space down below. Otherwise, I wish you have a great day, a nice day, and see you next time. Take care and bye-bye.